Look at this dude.
Yes, I know it's different. It is not best, we will fix it later. Anyway, we are going to swiftly move away from the hairdo and go on to the mods for preceding future. Anyway, so we're going to start with this little box. If I open this little box, I got these cool lights. What these lights are, if you'll follow me. Side indicators, they come on the little MX-5. These are nice, I like them, but I thought maybe just some blacked out ones would look kind of cool. So, and these are also LED and they've got like a little LED strip. I'm going to want your guys' opinion on something when we fitted them. I'm going to run them for a little bit, see how I feel about them. And we can also go off YouTube comments. Anyway, let's get to installing them because I don't know if many people actually know how to remove these, and I actually had to look it up. So, swiftly on to that. Okay, what you need is a flathead screwdriver, but like one that's very, very thin and very small. I don't know if the camera's going to focus on that, but whatever, they get the point. Cool. And what we're going to do is come down to a little side. Forgive my car, it's been raining on and off for the past couple of days, so I haven't even bothered washing it. But you'll see here against the door, there's like a small little space that you can put this in. What you're going to want to do is shove this in, because there's basically like a little plastic clip that you have to compress in order for it to slot out. So, like that. As you can see, there's a little plastic clip. You got to just spring it in so that it can slide out. Now that it can slide out, you just got to wiggle it out here, and that's literally as easy as it is to take these out. Thieves and looters, pretend you didn't see that. This is actually very difficult to get out indeed. Try not steal them, thank you. So what we're going to do is then, so I thought I'd have to take off the plug to actually fit the new lights, but it's actually a lot easier than that. You just got to turn them to get the light bulb piece. Going to take the light bulb out, put it somewhere that I'll hopefully remember. And then something else that we do need to do is I just got to take this little rubber gasket off, which hopefully I can without peeling it and destroying it. Oh gosh. Okay, I'll catch you guys up once this is off.
12 seconds later.
Now that we've gotten the little rubber thing off, I did unfortunately tear mine. It's to be expected with these rubber gaskets from, you know, however old they are. Okay, as you can see, I just cleaned it up a little bit. Now we've got to put the gasket onto the new light. So I'm just going to move the plastic, the lens cover out of the way a bit. I didn't pay attention to how this is supposed to go. Oh, never mind, it's supposed to go this way. Okay, well now with the rubber seal onto the new light, we can install it. Now this is where I got confused, because this is actually a light fitting. So what we do, is it this way? It's this way, yes. Just got to slot that in. Make sure obviously your big clip is where the big clip was on the previous light, so it would be this smaller hook piece here. We're going to slide that in, and you got to pop the other side in first, and then this side should pop, and nice and steady. There we go. And now the satisfying bit. Yeah, I know. Oh shit. Oh shit. Okay, no, I got it. Don't worry. Don't worry, I got it. And there we go. Cool. So now it's just nice and blacked out, kind of subtle. Let's go install the other side, and then I'll show you guys what it looks like on. really actually dig the two little lines for the LEDs for the lights. I hate sequential lights. This is going to be a very controversial opinion and people are going to freak out in the comments. I really dislike sequential lights, so when it runs and it like trails, I prefer just a normal blinking light. So this is where I needed your opinion, because I don't actually know what looks better. Those lights, but just tinted black, and then with like an LED bulb in them. I do really like the little lines though, but I just wish that they weren't sequential. Now, I even Google searched, is there a way to disable the sequentialness of any light really? And there is, apparently, but I need to get to the circuit board, of which, if you guys saw it, it's a sealed unit. I can't actually get in there. I do kind of like these, and they are quite nice, but yeah, I don't know. I actually also feel like just an LED bulb in those would be brighter than these little LEDs. But I mean, for just some cheap cool bits for the side of the car, it's reasonable, it's cool. So yeah, that's actually it for today's video. For the install part of today's video, there is a little bit more that I want to just show off for an upcoming bit, but we'll get to that now. I want to go double check that the other side is working properly as well. And in an upcoming video, this will be going on, but with that being said, I don't actually know when this will be going on, because there is some complications, let's just say, because this is the generic roof ring spoiler that you see on all of the MX-5s and stuff. I bought this, same like how I bought the front lip, I bought the generic one to then modify into my version. So this one will be modified further into my version to, well, test and see and have a look and so on and so forth. I actually bought 2 of them. So now the second one will also be, is actually going to, because it's very similar design to the roof wing, it's going to actually be my diffuser, if it works. This is another thing, because this material is actually a little bit, or I mean the width here at the end is a little bit bigger than what I thought it was. So I don't know if we will be able to use it as my diffuser. So this is all just, it's coming up, but I thought I'd let you guys know, because some cool, exciting stuff, and then yeah. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you do enjoy and you want to see mods, well, my versions of these mods, like the diffuser, like the boot lip wing, that's coming hopefully this year as well, the roof spoiler, so on and so forth. I have a Patreon account, go check the description down below. You guys get early access and stuff from there. I don't know how else to really describe it. There's a whole bunch of cool perks that you guys can get from it, so go check it out anyway. Past that, yeah, that's it for today's video. Thank you very much for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Until then, cheers.